Hello, my friend. Welcome to Genius Education again, and good morning to all. Here is the topic that we are going to talk about is noise pollution. The first thing here is written as the number one. You can say introduction. What do you mean by the noise pollution? Let's see and check. Noise pollution is defined as without agreeable sound, musical quality that is non-present in the air. There is no such quality to hear, and these are unwanted and undesired sound. Those noise can be defined as a group of loud, non-harmonious or vibration. These are unpleasant and irritating to hear. This kind of sound is called as noise pollutions. Alright, here is the fact. Sound that reach 85 decibel or higher can harm a person to hear. Sound source that exceeds this threshold includes familiar things such as power, lawn, mowers. These are 90 decibels. Subway trains, these are 90 to 115 decibels. And loud rocks, concretes, that is 110 to 120 decibels. Alright. Now these are the different sources that you can see in the image. Common source of noise pollution: aeroplanes, airports, traffic, mass transit, amplified or piped in music, construction and industry activities, emergency vehicles, alright, lawn and garden equipment. All these are the source of the sound and noise pollutions. This plays a very major role, and you can see this, guys. These are the top most cities the world now just come under that. Okay, and the first one is there, the China, Gunjhao, the city located in China. The second, this comes the New Delhi, India. The third one is Cairo, that is Egypt. Mumbai, the fourth, that is India. Fifth, that is Turkey. Alright. Sixth, that is again China, Beijing. Seventh, that is Barcelona, that is Spain. Eighth number, that is Mexico City in Mexico. Paris, that is France. Alright. And Argentina, that is Buenos Aires. These are the different top 10 polluted cities in the world. Noise pollution impact millions of people on a daily basis. Alright. The most common health problems it causes is noise in, I think, that is induced hearing loss. Exposure to loud noise can also cause higher blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbance, and stress. These health problems that affect all age group, especially children. Many children who live near noisy airport or streets have been found to suffer from, I think, that is stress and other problems such as impairments in memory, attention level, and reading skill that will affect in the different levels in your physic, in your mental and every way. It can make you emotional disturbance, it can make you physical disturbance. So these are the different impacts, and here is the physical manifesto and physical manifestation of the noise stress. The first one is delays cognitive development in children. Second one is written as physiological trigger for individual with PTSD, and the lower threshold for the noise resulting in the sleep disturbance. We have increased health rate, change in the immune system, and there is a anxiety, anxious mood state, that is elevation of cortisol production, hypertension, myocardial infarction, vasoconstriction, and there is a elevated blood pressure, elevated adrenaline levels, and all this. These are the different problems. Alright, guys, stay out from the noise. Do not make unnecessary noise. Be safe. Stay out from the noise. Thank you for joining me, guys. And again, thank you. Namaste. Join. Subscribe to Genius Education to get such kind of educational videos.